Berlin Central train station. Check out this ceiling. That's all tiled. And even in the train station you can smell pot. Come to do a little recce before I head off in a few days' time, just to make sure I work out where I'm going. Got a 9 o'clock train to Berlin. I don't like to be in the wrong place at the wrong time. So, as part of my sightseeing and tourist walking around, I go and do little recce's. Realised about myself, I don't like not knowing where I'm supposed to be when I'm short of time. But I get to take some time and get little treats like this. This is just awesome. And the piano playing is help yourself and play the piano. Had a beautiful breakfast. Pancakes, savoury pancakes, mushroom, cheese and bacon. And I looked at it on the plate and thought, yeah, I can knock that off. Wow, it was a lot of food. And beautiful too. And I've got to say the coffee is outstanding here. Really nice. Not that Starbucks shit. Anyway, there's another quick one. Chuck this on YouTube and catch us later. See ya.